What's going on, family? It's your man DeAndre Saxon, aka Miami Patron, and I'm here for another video. You already know what it is. I'm coming to you from beautiful Medellin, Colombia. Look at this view of the entire land right here. I love it. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make money on Instagram right now in 2019 and beyond. So what I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you 3 secrets on how to do this, on how I generated over $23,000 from my Instagram alone this year. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's hop into my computer and I'll give you these 3 tips. Now we're on my computer, so let's hop into it. So the 3 secret ways on how to make money on Instagram in 2019, even if you have no money. So let's go ahead and start off with the preface. So right now, as you know, because you're watching this video, Instagram is the fastest growing social media platforms. And here's something that's really important. And you probably realize this is why you're watching this video. So many people want followers. I want to get to 10,000 followers. I want the swipe up. I want 100,000 followers, right? Everybody wants followers. But followers do not equal income, right? Write that down. If you're taking notes, followers do not equal money, right? And so we have to say, okay, how can I turn my Instagram into a money machine? How can I turn it into a cash cow? And that's why we're here. So the fastest growing companies and brands right now are using Instagram and influencers to grow. Many of them spending $0 on ads. For example, Fashion Nova, David Wellington Watches, Kylie Jenner. They're running ads now, but when they first got started, they weren't really running ads. They were using Instagram and influencers to grow these multi-million-dollar businesses. So, guys, if they can do it, that means you can do it. And that's probably why you're trying to say, how can I start making money on Instagram? And that's what we're going to be going over. So you might be saying, DeAndre, I'm not an influencer. I can't make money from Instagram. I can't do shout outs. I can't do brand deals. That's okay. I'm going to be covering that. You might be saying, DeAndre, I don't have a lot of followers. I don't have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 followers. How can I make money? Do not worry. We're going to be going over that. So the best way to make money on Instagram is to sell your knowledge and information to the people, to your followers, to people that are coming across your profile. Now, what does that mean? How do you sell your information and your knowledge? You can do it in the form of consulting. You can do it in the form of coaching, info products, online courses, ebooks, etc. Now, if you're online, you've seen this before. You've seen people selling ebooks, online courses, information products, coaching, consulting through their Instagram. And this is the best way to make money online on Instagram in 2019. Now, let me show you why. I'm going to show you why, how, and everything and where to do it. All right? So let's start off with why. Why do you want to sell your information and your knowledge? Because it takes almost nothing to get started when you start selling your information. If you have a skill or a passion, it's inside of your head. All you have to do is share it with somebody else, and they pay you for it. Guys, that's amazing. To go do all this crazy stuff. You're able to do it just from selling your time and your experience. And this is how I got my start when I was broke. So for those of you that don't know my pocket, just to start a business and follow my dream. When I was broke, moving to Miami, all I did was this. I sold my knowledge on how to run Facebook ads to local businesses, and they paid me $1,000 a month to do it. So within, being broke to literally 3 months later, I was making $7,000 a month just selling my knowledge. I wasn't doing anything crazy, and I was doing it literally from my laptop out of my Airbnb, right? So if I can do it, you can do it, right? And I've been making money online from social media ever since when I was 22 years old. Right? Over 2 years. And the cool thing is, guys, you can start with this immediately today. You can start with this immediately. So when I launched my last coaching program from scratch, I made $3,000 within 3 days, then $5,000 my first week. So imagine this. You're watching this video. Imagine in the next week, you brought in $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 from your Instagram followers and from your Instagram. How would that make you feel? How would that make you feel? See, that's what I'm going to be giving you in this video right here. This is what I'm going to be sharing with you. Now you might be saying, man, DeAndre, I don't have a lot of followers. How do I do that? It's okay. You can do this with as little as 500 followers, right? Because think about it. There's at least 1, 2, 3 people in your social media following right now that have a connection with you that would want to learn something that you would want to teach. Now, this is something that you're going to probably be saying, man, DeAndre, I don't have a skill. I don't have knowledge that I can sell, especially not to the followers that I build. I'll feel like a sellout. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You do have a skill inside of you you have a gift inside of you right now that the world wants to learn. It could be anything, cooking, dancing, how to grow your Instagram page, how to do makeup. There's so many different things that you have. There's a skill inside of you right now, a gift, how to play an instrument that people want to learn. And there's a reason that people are following you. It's because they connect with you, and you can share that gift with the world, with your followers. So, and another thing is, say if you don't have a skill, like when I first started, with this whole social media, what am I going to teach people how to sell cars online? No. What I had to do was I had to learn a skill. So what I did was I took 2 to 4 weeks to learn and master a skill that I could then sell. And that for me was the Facebook ads agency. So what I did was I went and I sold people $1,000 a month how to run their Facebook ads. At the time I didn't know how to do it. So I sold them. I was like, okay, shit, I got to learn how to do it. And then I took 2 to 4 weeks to learn how to actually do it. Right? You don't have to be as crazy as me, but that's how I did it. Right? And you only need to be one chapter ahead of your clients. For example, you only need to be one step. If you want to go learn a skill, go master it for 2 to 3 weeks, and then go ahead and sell it to other people. Now, how do you actually do it? So that's why. Now, how? How? So let's start off with consulting. So you can start off with consulting. Now, consulting sounds weird. It sounds like you put on a suit, you sit in an office in New York City. Guys, consulting is really easy. Let me break it down for you. Consulting, all it is selling your experience to people for a monthly fee. For example, when I had my Facebook ads agency, I was a consultant. I was charging, and this is what I could do, this is what you can do. You could charge somebody $1,000 a month to run their Instagram page. You could charge somebody $1,000 a month to post on Instagram for them, to run their social media. You could charge $1,000 a month to help them with their fitness. Whatever it is that you're good at, whatever your gift at, whatever skill that you decide you want to learn, you could charge somebody a monthly fee to help them do something based on 2,000 a month, whatever you decide. You could do consulting, number one. Number two, secret, right? We're getting to the secret side. Secret number two is coaching. You can work one-on-one with your clients and your followers, right, to help build their result for them. For example, some of my clients help people overcome anxiety and depression, right, or overcome mindsets and mindset hurdles. So you can charge $2,000 one time to one of your followers or somebody or one of your clients to help them overcome their anxiety and depression. So if you feel, if that's one of your skills, that's an example of what you can do. Charging a one-off fee or a monthly fee to help them achieve a goal. You can either do it for them or coach them through that. And the third and final secret here, guys, and this is the most powerful one. This is the most powerful one. It is online courses and information products, not services. Products. Services are the two above. Consulting and coaching are services because you're having to physically be there. A product is something you can sell one-off. They take off with it, right? Like a phone. This is a product. I bought it. They take off with it. Information products. These are the most powerful ones, guys. Why is that? It's because you're selling a pre-recorded online course teaching people how to do something, and it's a great income source. And there's no time involved. Think about it. And the thing with the online courses is this. Is you can reach more people because you can sell it over and over and over again. You can sell it in Africa, in Europe, Ireland, wherever it is, United States. It doesn't matter. You can sell it over and over again, right? Or so you can reach more people. The next thing is you can increase your income because you can sell it a bunch of times. You can sell it 100 times a day, 100 times a month, 100 times a week, and it still brings in income. And you're able to impact a lot more people with an online course. So that's why I like online courses. As an example, when I launched my first online course, which was back in October, on how to start a Facebook ads agency, I brought in nearly $10,000 in 60 days, all from my Instagram alone, with all organic, no ads or anything. And I was able to I was like, holy shit, this is awesome. I had the program already pre-recorded. People were interested in the lifestyle that I built from the social media, and I sold it to them for $500, and boom. $10,000 within about 2 months. I was like, holy shit, this is freaking awesome, right? Because there's no time involved. You can do it over and over and over again. And since then, I've been able to travel all over the world. Right now, like I said, right now I'm in Medellin, Colombia. I'm about to go to Cartagena and Brazil and Dominican Republic, all these different places, right? Because of an online course product. So now you'd be thinking, I showed you why. I showed you how. Now I'm going to show you where to actually put it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a link in your bio to your website, your funnel, your calendar, or anything like that. Wherever you want to drive traffic to get people, one of your followers, to actually, want to work with you. And what you're going to do is you're going to have a strong call to action, right? You're going to have call to actions in your stories, in your posts, and in your bio. I'm going to show you an example of these right now. For example, when you're on your story, you can say, hey guys, let's just say you use Tuesdays and Thursdays to promote your coaching. You're just coming out with this. You can even, and for those of you that say, man, I don't want to feel like a sellout, do it behind the scenes. Hey guys, I'm thinking about coming out with the coaching program. Hey, I'm thinking about coming out with the online course XYZ, boom, boom, boom. right? And you can choose 2 days to promote, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hey guys, so if you want to go ahead and work with me, go ahead and send me a DM or swipe up, whatever it is, depending on your followers, right? So that's a call to action, and you can put a link in your bio, or if you have a post, you want to do a post about it, right? For example, here is my Instagram right here. So if you see here where it says free ultimate online course guide, this is a call to action for people to download my online course creation guide, because I teach people how to make money on Instagram, how to start their own online courses. So you can see here my bio, it says, hey, well, first of all, let's back up here. It says who I am, DeAndre Saxon, product launch expert, and I have who is it that I help, right? I help people monetize their audience and their brand. I have one of my milestones. I went $0 to $13,000 in 10 days with the course launch. And here's my call to action: free ultimate online course guide. So what I do is all my stories, at least a couple times a week, I'll promote my online course guide, which then funnels into either my coaching program or my one-on-one. So this is something you could do immediately. Like I said, when I launched the program, I did $13,000 in 10 days from scratch. Right, from scratch. And by the way, you might be saying, "Oh man, do you have 13,000 followers?" But none of my followers knew what I was doing before. I had a Facebook ads agency before. Now I'm helping people create courses. It was different. So it was like I started from zero. So don't even worry about how many followers I have. Like I said, followers don't equal money. Remember that. So there's my call to action. So guys, hopefully you got a lot of value from those 3 secrets right here, right? If you want to learn, go a lot deeper into this, I have something called an ultimate online course creation guide right here. It's in my Instagram bio, and you can download it right now in the description below. And in this guide, like I said, it's ultimate. It's going to teach you on how to find a course topic, right? How to sell your knowledge online, how to package it, how to find people, how to get, how to charge. All that kind of stuff is right here inside this ultimate course guide, and this will get you the step-by-step on how to get forward. So if you got value from this video, this would be the next step, is to download this and read it and get to the next level. And that's how you make. Those are the 3 secrets on how you make money on Instagram in 2019. It's your boy, DeAndre Saxon. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that smash button, subscribe button, give it a like, and download that ebook, and I'll see you next time.